It's your girl Sasha, coming to you live from San Antonio. How's everybody doing? It's been a minute. If you are new here, welcome. If you're gonna catch this replay, drop the word replay so I can circle back around and connect with you later. Welcome to the Sasha Elaine show. My title, what do you know about ketones and ketosis? I get a lot of questions, and it's very seldom that I do go live about my ketones, but I figure, why not? Hey Charles, what's up, homie? Thanks for jumping on. Again, if you're new here to the Sasha Elaine show, welcome. Drop the word new. And if you're catching the replay, drop the word replay, and I will circle back around and catch up and connect with you. So yeah, it's been a minute, a hot minute. We've had quarantine, we've had in the house board, and I've been busy. I moved, the kid was gone. It's just been crazy. Hey Terry, what's up, homie? Hope all is well y'all's way. So yes, this is the first live that I've done in the new place, and I'm extremely excited. But yeah, like my title says, what do you know about ketones and ketosis? I get a lot of questions, so I figured I would come share just a quick little bit of info with y'all about my ketones. So anybody who knows, the ketogenic diet has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. It started back in the 1920s, 30s. It was used to treat epilepsy in children. I remember reading an article that a study was done. 40% of the children that participated had less seizures. And fast forward now, like I said, 120 something years, we're here. So I just wanted to share my goodness with you guys. I have the goods. I got these notifications going on. Hey Valerie, what's up, babe? How are you? Michelle, what's up, sis? So yeah, I'm just here to share more about my pure therapeutic ketones, what it is that I've been doing, what it is that I share every day. Again, our body naturally goes into ketosis if you follow a ketogenic diet, which is strict. A lot of people can't follow the diet. It's the macros that you have to follow that a lot of people just can't do it. And anything that you do can throw you out of ketosis, whether if you eat the wrong thing, you miscount your carbs for the day or your fats for the day, stress, anxiety, hormones, whatever, can throw you out of ketosis. Okay, I'm gonna try to run quick because my battery's going dead. So yeah, a lot of people cannot stick to a ketogenic diet, but it's popular. It does help, and I got my ketones, so you don't have to worry about what you eat. So if you're following a keto diet, great, just add these to it. If you're not following a ketogenic diet, that's even better because all you need is these. My company has the world's only pure therapeutic ketones, which are generated from fermented salts. These are bioidentical to what your liver already produces. We currently have 9 patents, I believe, or there could be more by now. I jumped on board several months ago because I was at a 4-month weight loss stall. Y'all know that I count calories, I count macros, I'm in the gym, I'm a personal trainer, I'm like going crazy. But yeah, several months ago, I was at a stall, and so jumped on board, hit up a girlfriend of mine and gave it a try. So needless to say, I'm fluctuating between 12, 15 pound weight loss, and this is all I did. It's quick, it's easy. All you do is add these to water, 10, 12 ounces of water, shake, drink, bam, and your body is into ketosis. Again, naturally you can go into ketosis by your diet. It takes roughly 3-4 days. But with my ketones, it's less than an hour. Put your body in ketosis, you start burning fat for fuel instead of carbs, fats, and sugars. So if you're looking for better mood, sleep, energy, muscle preservation, fat loss, immunity, and all the good things, it's quick, it's easy. Yes, these are formulated by doctors, not by me, of course. And yeah, I figured, I'd just come share. I'm excited to be here because this is my first live in the new place. Delicia, hey, love, thanks for jumping on. Ryan, again, I don't want to get caught up in the comments and then my battery's going low, so hopefully it doesn't cut off on me. So yes, thank you guys all for jumping on. Again, these are perfect for anyone and everyone. We have caffeine and caffeine free, so even children, preferably caffeine free. And I have variety packs, trial packs that I sell, that I share, so you can experience your better and optimize your overall health, just to give it a try. So if you're interested, drop trial in the comments and I will circle back around and get with you guys. But I have a few here. I just wanted to go over them and share really quick. So our Ketones Nat, this is our mainstay product. This is Heart Tart. It's like a strawberry candy. I'm obsessed with it. I mix it with anything and everything, and it's powder formulated. Pour it in water, whatever beverage of your choice. Drink, shake, bam, and within 60 minutes, an hour or less, your body is in ketosis. So this is one of the mainstay flavors. I did not bring them all out because it was just like impromptu. But if nothing else, this is a mainstay flavor. Heart Tart, strawberry. It tastes like strawberry candy, like a Jolly Rancher, and this is a good one. Another one I wanted to share was Unleash. This is our black label. This is fairly new, several months in. It has 30% more ketones. So if you're an energy drinker, a Red Bull drinker, this bad boy here, I still don't do a full pack. I usually use this as a pre-workout before I go to the gym. Hey, what's up, Desmond? Hey, homie. Erica, thank you for jumping on. So yeah, I usually use this as a pre-workout. I'm not an energy drinker, so it does have 30% more ketones. Also a little bit more caffeine, and this is Unleashed. It's our black label. It's a new one. Keto Cream. This is our functional fats. It also has 4 types of collagen, hair, skin, and nails. Y'all know me, esthetician. I'm all about my skin. Definitely. This is also good for anyone who's doing keto and y'all tend to make y'all bulletproof coffee with the butter and the heavy whipping cream and all the other shenanigans. I've never done that, but anybody who does like keto bulletproof coffee, this is a good one for y'all because it already has your functional fats, your daily dose of fats in it. Also, 4 strands of collagen, like I said, hair, skin, nails, and it also has MCT oil in it. This is a new one. This is Keto Pro. It's our protein. This flavor is new. We also have banana cream. This is our vegan and dairy free. This is the bomb, y'all. It's dark chocolate with my 2 scoops of peanut butter and my vanilla almond milk, and I'm like, it's good to go. So I drink this regularly. Y'all know the gym has been closed because of quarantine, and I haven't really been I have been doing outside workouts and things like that, but I'm excited to get back on track with this because the protein, helps build muscle. It prevents muscle breakdown. So this is our keto protein. It's 1 full serving of protein. It is the same as 1 full serving of a meal replacement. And we have this one, dark chocolate and banana. I'm obsessed with this. Another staple is our Mitoplex. It's an upgraded electrolytes. If you know or don't know, our body does not produce electrolytes. We need to get it from the foods and whatever supplements or drinks that we eat, drink, and use. So Electrolytes help with the body's hydration. Oh Lord Jesus, I just dropped it. But so yeah, I usually, oh, y'all, I usually just throw it in with any of the choices. I mean, it's flavorless, it's tasteless, and it helps get the electrolytes in because y'all, I don't get enough from the foods that I eat because y'all know I count calories and all this other stuff. So these are just a few of the staple products that I've been on. There's a lot of good benefits. Like I said, better mood, sleep, energy, focus, muscle preservation, and overall body optimization. And I figured, you know, I'd just come jump on, share with you guys because it's been a minute. Besides the fact that I'm excited because it's my first live in the new place. So I just figured I'd jump on and just share with y'all. So I'm excited to be back and just to come chit chat with y'all my peoples. And again, like I said, anybody interested in a trial, just drop trial below. I will touch base with y'all. If you're looking for any of, like I said, you know, better energy, sleep, focus, mental clarity, muscle preservation, fat loss, I got you. If you're following a ketogenic diet and you tend to be monitoring everything, getting any of the results that you're looking for, send me a message. I'd love to talk to you about it. And like I said, if you're not doing keto, interested in getting started on keto, holler at me. I got you. But other than that, I just wanted to come jump on and just see what my people is doing. What's up, babe? I knew the kid was going to come interrupt me. He's been gone for a month and now he's back, but I try to do this really quick. But anyways, like I said, what do you know about ketones and ketosis? If you're doing keto, not doing keto, want to know more, just holler at me, hit me up, and I'd be glad to touch base with y'all and share. And I just want to say thank you guys for all jumping on. It seems like I've been out of the mix, but I'm back and getting everything situated and settled. So thank you guys all for jumping on, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.